Imagine a world where the unmatched luxury of a Rolls-Royce meets the limitless freedom of a motorhome.
Welcome back to SF Car Reviews.
Your destination for discovering the world's most exclusive, powerful, and innovative vehicles. Today, we're stepping into a realm where craftsmanship meets adventure with the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a magnificent creation that turns every journey into a first-class experience. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling palace, crafted for those who refuse to compromise between comfort, prestige, and performance. Let's explore its stunning exterior, indulgent interior, incredible performance, and, of course, its jaw-dropping price. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, it's clear that this is not your average RV. The design speaks volumes, elegant yet powerful, sophisticated yet adventurous. At the front, the iconic Rolls-Royce grille stands tall, inspired by the Phantom, framed by sleek laser-powered LED headlights that create a signature glow in the dark. And of course, proudly leading the way is the Spirit of Ecstasy, the emblem of automotive royalty. Every curve of the body is carefully sculpted to reflect light like liquid metal, while the seamless combination of aluminum and carbon fiber keeps it strong but surprisingly lightweight. The massive 26-inch alloy wheels are custom designed, featuring the Rolls-Royce logo that stays perfectly upright as the vehicle moves, a small detail that reminds you this is no ordinary ride. Rolls-Royce offers endless customization through its bespoke division, allowing buyers to personalize everything, from exterior paint tones to handcrafted finishes. Whether you choose deep obsidian black, champagne silver, or royal sapphire blue, the finish is pure perfection. Even the paint process involves over 20 layers of coating, hand polished to achieve a mirror-like gloss. Now, let's step inside, where the true magic of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome unfolds. As the doors glide open silently, you're greeted by an interior that feels like stepping into a luxury penthouse suite. Every surface is wrapped in soft, hand-stitched leather sourced from the finest European tanneries. The wood veneers are polished for over 20 hours to achieve that signature Rolls-Royce sheen, while the ambient lighting bathes the cabin in a warm, calming glow. The living area is the epitome of modern luxury. You'll find two captain's chairs with full recline, heating, cooling, and massage functions. Between them sits a hidden champagne cooler, paired with hand-cut crystal glasses bearing the Rolls-Royce crest. A 55-inch retractable OLED display folds down from the ceiling, supported by a Bowers & Wilkins diamond surround sound system that turns every movie night into a cinematic experience. Voice-controlled lighting, climate, and privacy screens allow you to tailor your environment without lifting a finger. Behind the lounge area lies a compact yet ultra-premium kitchen, equipped with Miele appliances, a dual-zone induction cooktop, and a smart refrigerator that tracks your groceries and suggests recipes. The kitchen counter is finished in Italian marble, blending functionality with elegance. Moving further back, the master bedroom awaits, featuring a full queen-size bed with silk sheets, memory foam mattress, and panoramic roof panels that open to reveal the stars above. Rolls-Royce calls it the Starlight Chamber, and once you lie down here, you'll understand why. Even the bathroom feels like a luxury spa. Heated floors, rainfall shower, gold-accented fixtures, and an automatic aroma diffuser create a sanctuary on wheels. Every inch of space is maximized to provide unmatched comfort, no matter how long your journey. Now let's talk performance, because this isn't just about looks. Beneath the elegant exterior lies a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, the same powerhouse that drives Rolls-Royce's flagship Phantom. It delivers an effortless 563 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque, ensuring this 10-ton luxury home moves with grace and authority. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, it glides through any terrain, from smooth highways to rocky trails, without ever losing its composure. Despite its size, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 6.3 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a vehicle of this class. Its top speed is limited to 250 km/h for safety, but the real story here is refinement. The Magic Carpet Ride suspension system continuously scans the road using cameras and adjusts every millisecond to deliver the smoothest possible experience. It's as if the motorhome hovers above imperfections, ensuring passengers feel nothing but tranquility. New for 2026 is a hybrid electric assist system, allowing up to 80 kilometers of silent electric driving. Perfect for peaceful mornings in nature or luxury resorts where noise is unwelcome. The intelligent power management system automatically switches between electric and combustion power, optimizing performance and efficiency. Safety and technology are at the forefront too. The motorhome features adaptive cruise control, lane centering, night vision, pedestrian detection, and autonomous parking. A 360-degree drone camera system provides a live aerial view of your surroundings, making even the tightest parking spaces manageable. There's also a unique self-leveling system that automatically stabilizes the vehicle when parked on uneven ground, ensuring perfect comfort wherever you stop. And then comes the price, the part that separates dreams from reality. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome starts at around $2.5 million USD. But with bespoke options and personalized design features, it can easily exceed $3 million. This isn't a vehicle for the masses. It's for the select few who see travel not as a necessity, but as an art form.